Jai Hind, I am Abhishek. I welcome all of you on Last Mile Education YouTube channel. So today we are going to talk about the power sharing and power system. Okay, there are mostly two kind of governments nowadays. The first is democracy and second is autocracy. In democracy, the power is shared with all people, that is democracy. And in autocracy, power is shared by the one person. Power is controlled by the one person, that is autocracy. In democracy, power are divided between so many people. In autocracy, power is in one hand. In democracy, you can take example of India, okay, Japan, USA, Germany. But in autocracy, power is centralized in one hand, and you can take example as Russia, China, North Korea. These all are the autocratic states. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about India, democracy, India. Okay, here power is decentralized. Power is divided between so many hands, in so many people. You can see here India, our lovely country. Okay, here the most powerful people are President of India, Prime Minister of India, and Chief Justice of India. Okay, President of India, Prime Minister, and Chief Justice of India, CJI. Okay, the power is shared between all these people. Okay, the next you can take here states. Take Bihar. Here you can see governor. Second is CM, and third is Chief Justice of State, Chief Justice of Bihar. Okay, and the third level of government is the district level. Okay, the third level of government is district level. You can take Bhojpur or Ara. Okay, this is district level. The first is country, the second is state, and the third is district. Here the power is shared between the DM of that district, district magistrate, and the second is member of parliament, MP, and the third is district judge. The third is district judge. And the next here level of decentralization of power is block level. You can see at the block stage you would see MLA. Okay, MLA, member of legislative assembly. Okay, the second is BDO, block development officer. And here you can also see one lower level of the government, that is panchayat. And you can also see here Jila Parishad. Okay, here panchayat comes. In panchayat, there are so many different power sharing formula. Okay, you can learn first India, that is President of India, Prime Minister, and Chief Justice of India. Power is shared between all these three people. Okay, the second is state level, that is Bihar, governor, CM, Chief Minister, and Chief Justice of Bihar. Okay. The next is district level, that is Bhojpur, Ara, district magistrate, member of parliament, and district judge. The next is block level. Here you can see MLA, member of legislative assembly, that elects by the people of India, and block development officer, Jila Parishad. Now the panchayat. Okay, so let's start our discussion with the panchayat. Okay. See, the power is really controlled by and ruled by directly or indirectly by the panchayat. Okay, you can see here panchayat. It will take time to become dry. Okay. Panchayat. Here we are going to discuss how the panchayat works. There is one head of the panchayat that is called pradhan or mukhiya. The people there are okay. The first understand what is panchayat. Panchayat is a very big village or a group of villages. That in that panchayat there are 2 or 3 or maximum 4 villages are. Okay, a village or a group of villages, that is called a panchayat. Okay, and in one panchayat there is one mukhiya or pradhan of that panchayat. We can say one mukhiya or pradhan. He is the head of the panchayat. Everything is controlled by mukhiya or pradhan of that panchayat. Okay. The next person that is judicially head, that is sarpanch. Okay. He is like he has power, like the main power of the Prime Minister of India. The mukhiya has the same power as the Prime Minister of India as on the country. So mukhiya and pradhan has the power to the power of the panchayat. Okay. Now the next is sarpanch. Sarpanch has the power of justice. Whenever there would be quarrel between 2 or 3 people, there would be little fight, then sarpanch could go and do justice to those people. That is controlled by sarpanch. Okay, the justice related matter is controlled by sarpanch. Okay, in one panchayat. What is gram sabha? If all the people of that specific panchayat or some elder people or some old people gather at one place and do a kind of meeting or meet and discuss some matter of that specific panchayat, that is called gram sabha. Okay, of that village, of that panchayat, the people gather and discuss on some specific issue at some specific period of time, that is called gram sabha. Gram sabha is headed by sarpanch or gram pradhan of that village. Okay, gram sabha is headed by mukhiya, pradhan or sarpanch of that village or that panchayat. Okay, and there are also some power sharing after the mukhiya also. Here you can discuss about panchayat samiti. Panchayat Samiti. Panchayat Samiti is a person, okay? It is a post. In Bihar, I am generally talking about in Bihar. Panchayat Samiti, or some people discuss about BDC, okay? BDC, Block Development Committee. Okay, so it is a post that is controlled by even a person who is on the post. It is elected post, elected by the people of that gram panchayat, and this person do little small development works of that village. Like you can say अगर ईंट बिछवानी है उस गांव में, तो ये ग्राम पंचायत जो है, पंचायत समिति यही करता है. अगर गांव में कहीं नाली बनवानी है तो यही करता है. छोटा छोटा जो डेवलपमेंट वर्क है वो ये करेगा. Like मनरेगा kind of the work is controlled by mukhiya. Okay. If you go one step further lower, then you see ward and punch. Ward is a specific term. Let's see, this is a village. अगर ये मान लो गांव है, this is a huge village. Okay, मान लो ये village है. Now who would control this village? Mukhiya, sarpanch, panchayat samiti. but Mukhia is a head of 3 and 4 villages, so he doesn't know all people very closely. So now one stage of power is also here, that this whole village is divided in 3 parts. 1 part, 2 part and 3 part. Okay, the first part is this, part 1, part 2 and part 3. And in 3 part there are 3 ward person. 3 ward person. Ward person 1, ward person 1, ward person 2, ward person 3. These all 3 people are also elected by the specific ward people of this village. Okay, अगर इस गांव में 3 वार्ड है, वार्ड 1, वार्ड 2, वार्ड 3, क्योंकि ये गांव बड़ा है तो ये इस पार्ट में जितने सारे लोग हैं, मान लो इस गांव में इस पार्ट में 50 लोग हैं, तो ये 50 लोग एक वार्ड पर्सन को चुनेंगे। इसमें मान लो 100 लोग हैं तो 100 लोग एक वार्ड पर्सन को चुनेंगे, और इसमें मान लो 70 लोग हैं तो 70 लोग मिलकर एक वार्ड पर्सन को चुनेंगे। ओके, सो यहाँ पे पावर एक स्टेप और फर्दर डिवाइड होता है। नाउ वी हैव वार्ड पर्सन who would understand the problem of that specific ward, who would go to each and every person, meet personally and discuss some specific matter. Okay, now we have पंच। पंच, आपने पंच परमेश्वर की कहानी सुनी होगी। ओके, of this is a very famous writing or in syllabus also of प्रेमचंद। ओके, पंच परमेश्वर, इसमें क्या होता है कि एक जो सरपंच होता है वो डिसाइड करता है। तो मान लो अगर सरपंच तुम्हारा फ्रेंड है, सरपंच इज योर फ्रेंड, देन ही विल डिसाइड द मैटर इन योर साइड। ओके, इफ सरपंच इज माय फ्रेंड देन ही विल डिसाइड द मैटर इन माय साइड। तो यहाँ पर क्या होता है, मान लो एक सरपंच है तो यहाँ पे 5 पंच होगा या 4 पंच होगा। मान लो यहाँ पे 3 पंच है, जैसे वार्ड पर्सन है वैसे ही यहाँ पर पंच होगा, हर वार्ड का एक पंच। ओके, मान लो यहाँ इस गांव का कोई मैटर आया, इस गांव का कोई मैटर आया सरपंच के पास, ठीक है, कोई मैटर आया सरपंच के पास, तो अब यहाँ पे पंच को बुलाएंगे, ये पंच को बुलाकर पंच से ये समझेंगे, हर एक पंच से ये समझेंगे सरपंच, ठीक है, हर एक पंच से समझेंगे कि मैटर था क्या, व्हाट वाज द मैटर। अगर मैटर को ये समझ गए, मैटर को समझने के बाद पूछेंगे कि इसमें क्या करना चाहिए फ्रॉम द सरपंच। लाइक जैसे हमारे कोर्ट में बेंच ऑफ जस्टिस होता है ना, 3 बेंच जस्टिस, 5 बेंच जस्टिस, मतलब 5 जजेस बैठते हैं और उसके बाद किसी टॉपिक पे एक अपना निर्णय देते हैं। इट इज सेम लाइक दैट। ओके, पंच अपना अपना निर्णय देंगे कि ऐसा ये किया है या गलत है या सही है। मान लो 2 बोल रहे हैं कि गलत है और 1 बोल रहा है सही है, तो सरपंच क्या करेगा, 2 वाले का बात मानेगा एंड ही विल से कि नहीं नहीं गलत है या सही है। जो भी 2 बोलेंगे, द मेजोरिटी विंस हियर ऑलवेज। मान लो 2 बोला सही है तो सरपंच बोलेगा सही है, अगर 2 बोलेगा गलत है तो सरपंच बोलेगा गलत है। सो टुडे वी हैव अंडरस्टैंड दिस इन डिटेल्स। लेट्स मीट टुमारो। सो हैव अ गुड डे। जय भारत।